Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you guys how to create a new Telegram channel. If you want to create a Telegram channel, all you need to do is to launch your Telegram app. If you are yet to register using the Telegram, you just have to go through the registration process. So once you launch the Telegram app after registering, you click on this pencil icon at the top right. Then you see new group, new contacts, new channel. So you click on new channel. Here you have to click on create channel, and now you enter the channel name. For example, let's go with food trends predict. Then you can enter the channel description. Then after entering your name and description, you click on next. This way you specify the channel visibility, if you want it to be public or private. Like, you can select public. Let's leave it on public. Then under public channel, you can select the public link, like the link you want people can access while trying to join your channel. Let's just say food trends underscore predicts. Can make it like this. Then you can restrict your subscribers from making some comments on the channel by turning this on, but let's leave it off for now. Then you click on next, click on OK. This way your channel have been created. Then if you have members you want to invite, you can just select the members from your contacts. You can select them and click on next, but I'm not doing that for now. Let's just skip this process. Click on next. This way our channel have been created. As you can see, food trends predicts. Food trend predicts. This is the channel, and this is our channel link. So if you want to invite people to this your channel, you can just copy this channel link and share it to whoever platform you want to share it. So anyone that click on this link will be redirected to your channel, and the person will have to subscribe to your channel. So guys, that is it on how to create a new Telegram channel. I believe this tutorial is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.